puree.
I'm too young! No, I want to play the violin!
Okay, now you've seen that video. Now, there's a reason why I made that video. I made a short video and I also made a long video of this program that I used to make this car because it had some flaws in it. And on the thumbnail or on the beginning of the short film, I got like a lot of hits, like over 1,000 hits within no time. And I didn't get many subscribers or any likes or anything because it probably went to the wrong people, because it said on it, it said, fix this in Blender. So I said, fix this in Blender, which is a program. But I think people's eyes caught it and it said they must have thought their eyes didn't see or seen an A and fix this in a Blender. So, anyway, that one little model that I made, I wasn't happy with it anyway, because then I made this one. Excuse me. And that's the reason I made that video. It was kind of something that I thought would be really cool. But I'm going to show you what I meant by the program Blender. I'm just going to show it up in the screen, over up here. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, the Blender program, and what I was talking about, how to fix these files. And there is the file, the actual long version of the file on my channel. So if you go to it, you'll see it. Excuse me, I got a cough. Probably from blending that stuff. But I'm going to tell you, don't do that at your home. Do it at somebody else's house. I'm just kidding. Don't try that. Wear safety glasses if you ever do something like that. It's actually, when it says ready, fixing a file, actually that's fixing it to go in your blue box. Or if you're a guy that can make filament yourself, hey, you could recycle that and make your own filament. Anyway, thanks for sticking by, and thanks for letting me explain that.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.